Today, we are going to learn about how plants grow and change. This is called the plant life cycle. First, we will learn 6 important words about this topic. Under the words, you will see green dots. These dots show the syllables in each word. Add, ult, seed, seed. A seed is a tiny object that plants make. It holds a baby plant inside, ready to grow. Seed, ling, seedling. A seedling is a very young plant that has just started to grow from a seed. Add, ult, apple tree, adult apple tree. An adult apple tree is a fully grown tree that produces apples. Add, ult, bean plant, adult bean plant. An adult bean plant is a fully grown plant that produces beans. Fruit, fruit. A fruit is the part of a plant that holds and protects the seeds. Life cycle. Life cycle. Stages of the plant life cycle. Stage 1. Seed. The life of a plant starts with a seed. Stage 2. Seedling. When the seed gets water and light from the sun, it will start to grow. As the seedling grows bigger, it becomes an adult plant. The adult plant can make seeds, and then the life cycle starts all over again. Life cycle of an apple. An apple tree starts as a seed, then it changes into a seedling. It then grows into an adult apple tree. An adult apple tree grows flowers. Some of the flowers make fruit with seeds. The apple seeds can grow into seedlings. Life cycle of a bean plant. A bean plant starts as a seed. A bean grows into a seedling. Then it grows into an adult bean plant. An adult bean plant has seeds. The bean seeds grow into new bean plants. You have 5 seconds to answer each question. What is this? Seed. What is this? Seedling. What is this? Adult apple tree. What is this? Adult bean plant. What is this? Fruit. What is this? Life cycle.